Well, so as if now, guys, we have covered the theoretical aspect of CAN controllers and related them to the practical implementation. Now, from we will understand about the CAN controllers of a specific microcontroller. We are going to use S32K144 automotive microcontroller, and the reason for selecting this microcontroller is because it gives the exposure so as to gain the knowledge which are required in automotive industry. It gives exposure for learning AUTOSAR MCAL layer, MATLAB model based designing, automotive protocols, automotive peripherals, JLink based debugging, and Eclipse IDE based programming. And these are the very important knowledge which are required so as to gain the required skill sets so as to enter into the automotive industry. Other microcontrollers like Arduino, ESP, STM32 doesn't support all of these features and fail to provide this much amount of knowledge that we can get using this microcontroller. Also, for using this microcontroller, very cost effective and easily available development board, Lectronics version 2 is easily available, which you can buy from the Gettobyte, and it is designed and developed by Gettobyte Technologies only.